Unboxing Acer Laptop Aspire 3A315 15.6 AMD Ryzen 5. The best budget laptop. Choose the ready-to-go Aspire 3 with the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors made for practical multitasking and productivity. With ease of use at its core, this family-friendly laptop is ready when you are. This Aspire 3 can tackle any job. This Aspire 3 can tackle any job no matter how complex. Creativity soars to new heights with sharp, crisp visuals showcased on the 15.6 Full HD IPS touchscreen, while the thin bezel provides you more space to work with wherever inspiration strikes. AMD Ryzen 5 7520U quad-core processor up to 4.3 GHz. (15.6 Full HD Acer Comfy widescreen LED backlit IPS touchscreen display. (16GB LPDDR5 onboard memory and 512GB PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD. (800.11ax Wi-Fi 6 featuring by 2 MIMO technology dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz and Bluetooth 5.2. One USB Type-C port, USB 3.2 Gen 2 up to 10 gigabits per second. Display port over USB Type-C and USB charging. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 port with HDCP support. HD webcam 1280 by 720 with blue glass lens supporting 720 HD video. With a 78% increase in fan surface area. Enjoy an improved thermal system and an additional 17% thermal capacity, allowing for longer, more efficient work sessions while not plugged in. Windows 11 Home, lithium-ion battery, up to 10 hours battery life. 2 built-in stereo speakers and built-in digital microphone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.